So hello everyone, welcome to helpymath.com. So this time we'll talk about the sampling mean distribution, just built-in example from the lesson note. So look at this question here. A bank auditor claimed that the credit card balance are normally distributed with a mean of 2,870 and a standard deviation of 900. Okay, so based on that, so far I'm gonna just organizing. So population mean, based on this we have 2870, and then the standard deviation, the value equal to 900. Okay, so let's go to A here. So what is the probability the randomly selected credit card holder has a credit card balance less than 2500? So this case it is talking about just the normal distribution case here. So A case, I can make probability X is less than 2500. Okay, then now, so this case we can do normal distribution X commander, so equal to normal distribution this one, and then I'm gonna type 2500 comma, and then population mean 2870 comma, the standard deviation 900 comma, then we need accumulated, so cumulative distribution true. Okay, then so basically 0.340496, that will be the answer for A question. But now let's go to B here. So B case, you randomly select 25 credit card holder. Okay, so the last time we talked about how the sampling mean distribution work, and now we are selecting 25 credit card holder, which means we are finding mean value out of 25 credit card holder. Okay, so B case, basically it is talking about sampling mean distribution. Okay, so then now I'm gonna write the n here, n equal to 25 credit card holder 10, which means compared to regular normal distribution, sampling mean distribution, the standard deviation will get smaller because all the data, because we are keep talking about the mean value, and then all the data getting told to the center more and more, so the gap is narrower and narrower. Okay, so we need to find out new standard deviation. So I'm gonna just say this is the sampling mean standard deviation. Okay, so S.M. STD stands for sampling mean the standard deviation, which is the original standard deviation, and divide by square root number of n, which is this one, right? So unlike A questions, we are using 180 for the standard deviation value. Okay, then now, so this become probability. Now sample mean is less than 2500. Therefore, this case we still using normal distribution. Now we type 2500 as x value, and then population mean, and then standard deviation. Don't click this one. Now we need to click the sampling mean, the standard deviation value. So this one, comma, cumulative, yes, true. Okay, then now we got 0.019913 here. So let's compare these two values here. So A case 0.34, and then B case about 0.02, like that, right? Then why this is happening? So after we do, so normal distribution case. So then now we can do, so normal distribution case, we can make, so basically the graph looks like this one. Then now based on mean value 2870, so 2500 may be around here. Okay, Then now when you look at here, so this case our cumulative area become around here, basically like this. Then now after we doing sampling mean distribution, then the graph looks like a little bit smaller and taller like this. Okay, so even though we locate the same 2500 here, so this cumulative area get much smaller compared to regular normal distribution. That's the reason now we can say whenever we do sampling mean distribution, so our probability value get more centered on that center area here. That's why. So that's why this case our probability value gets smaller. Okay. Then now C, based on this, now we can answer C here. So compare the probability from A and B and interpret your answer in terms of the auditor's claim here. So after doing the sampling mean distribution, the data, the sample mean data getting toward to the center more, so that even the amount, even the same amount the cumulative area get different, most likely smaller, basically. Okay, so that's the answer for this question. Okay, then let's do one more question here. So the mean room and board expense per year of 4-year college are $6,803. You randomly select 9 4-year colleges. What is the probability that the mean room and the board are less than $7,099? Assume the room board expense are normally distributed with a standard deviation of 1125. So based on that, we can make a population mean equal to $6,803. Okay, and then now it shows that 9 samples, random sample here, and then given the standard deviation become 1125. Then now, because we have sample size here, so getting sample size means it is becoming sampling mean distribution. Okay, now we are not just selecting any probability from the total population, so we keep doing sampling mean distribution. Okay, therefore in this case we also need to find sampling mean standard deviation, so which is original standard deviation divided by square root and then number of n. Okay, so that now you have to use this one to find the probability. Okay, so this question is less than again, so I can make probability sample mean is less than $7,099. Okay, which means we can do normal distribution, and then we type 7099 comma population mean and comma then now the standard deviation. Okay, and then we cumulative, that will be true here. Okay, so that should be the answer for this problem. Okay, so I hope this question tried kind of help you to understand this topic, and then I will see you again with a different video. Alright, thank you, bye.